On this video today, I'm going to show you an AI robot that you can use to generate $100 to $500 per day as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this robot. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. Before I show you the AI robot, I want to show you this website that will pay you to use the AI robot. The name of this website is legit.com. This website is a marketplace where you can list your freelancing gigs for sale. You can see right here, these are the popular categories that you can list your gigs for sale. You can list your gig under SEO category, you can list it under writing, graphics and design, programming, AI services, internet marketing, video, e-commerce, business, courses. So whatever gig that you have, you can get a category on this platform and then list it for sale. When it comes to writing, you can see you can do copywriting, you can do translation, creative writing, web content. You can see right here several SEO content, press release, editing and proofreading, resumes and cover letters, blog posting. So whatever that you want to write about, you can list it on this website and you are going to be getting people who will hire you to do the work. When you scroll down right here, you can see these are the trending services that you can render on this website. You can see the popular services right now. So when you click on it, you can see a whole lot of them. It does not mean that if you cannot perform these services, you should force yourself and list a gig under them, because if you list and get people to hire you, if you are not able to do the work, you are not going to be paid. So make sure you list gigs that you can perform. Do not look at the trends and list gigs that you cannot perform. So as I scroll, you can see many of the gigs that people are selling on this website. This website works like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upworks and other freelancing websites. But one advantage that you get on this website is that there is low competition. So once you list your gigs on this website, you can get people to hire you within a short time. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register. Once you click on register, what you have to do is that you have to enter your full name right here, email address, username, password, confirm your password. Once that is done, you are going to select selling. You want to sell a gig on this website, or you can select buying and selling. So you either choose selling or buying and selling. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you have to agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Once that is done, click on register so that you can get your free accounts. Once that is done, you can now begin to sell your gigs on this platform so that you can get people to hire you. On this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to focus on writing. As I said earlier on, there are different things that you can write about. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to focus on blog posting. So we are going to list a gig telling people that we can write blog posts. Let me just click on it to show you how much people are earning with this service. As you can see, people are charging up to $10 per blog post. You can see it right here. Some are charging $19, some are charging $6. So it depends on the amount that you want to charge. You can see some are charging $15, some are charging $99, $20. As I scroll, you can see many people who are charging different amount. You can see $7, $35, $17. So it depends on the amount that you want to charge. My recommendation is that you have to lower your price because you want to attract people. Once you attract them and get higher reviews, you can then increase your price. When you come right here, you can see you can get your payment through your PayPal account, Skrill, or you can receive your payment through your Payoneer accounts. Payoneer is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can create a Payoneer account. Once you create it, you can use it to receive payment on this platform. So now once you have your writing gig, the next step is that we are going to now use the AI tool to write everything for you. The AI robot that we are going to be using is RightSonic.com. This AI robot helps you to write a lot of different content. You can see right here, you can use it to write blog posts, ads, emails. You can see right here website content. The best part is that you can use this particular robot for free before upgrading. You can see right here, you are not required to enter your credit card details when you sign up for free. So you have to sign up so that you can take advantage of this particular tool and then make money. Once you make the money, you can then upgrade to a premium account so that you can use it to make a lot of money. I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use this particular tool to write quality blog posts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this you can see, as I said earlier on, you can use it to write articles and blog. You can see ads and marketing tools, you can see general writing, e-commerce, you can see social media, web copy, and a whole lot of different things. Let me scroll down to show you. You can see right here, you can use it to change the tone of a text. You can see right here, you can use it to generate citations. There are a whole lot of different things that you can use this particular bot to do, but our focus right now is to write blog posts. To write a blog post or whatever that you want to do on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create new. Once you click on create new, you are going to give a name to your project. In this case, I'm going to name it as trial. Once that is done, just click on continue so that you can start using the tool. You can see the project has been successfully created. Once you have your project name, the next step is that you are going to select what you want to do with the robot. In this case, we want to use it to write blog post, so just click right here, article and blogs. Once you click on articles and blogs, you are going to select this option right here, AI article writer 3.0, so just click on that. Once you click on that, if you want to watch a tutorial, you can just click right here so that they can show you step by step on how to use this particular tool to write articles. In this case, I know how to use it, so I'm not going to watch the video. So the next step is that you are going to type the topic. Here you are going to type whatever that you want to write about. In this case, I want to write about weight loss, so you are going to just type the topic right here, and this particular bot will generate ideas for you. So in this case, I'm just going to type weight loss. It's just an example. You can write articles about anything. Once that is done, you can see you are going to select the number of ideas that you want. In this case, I just want 2 ideas, so you can just lower it to 2. If you want 1 idea, you are going to select that. Once you select that, you can also equally select the language. In case you don't want to write in English, you can just click on it and then select the appropriate language. Once that is done, you are going to click on generate ideas. As you can see, it is going to generate ideas for you. As you can see, it has generated 2 ideas for me. You can see right here, 7 proven strategies to jumpstart your weight loss journey. You can see right here, lose weight faster, proven strategies for long-lasting results. In this case, I want the second one, so just select it. Once you select it, you can see it is right here. The next step is that you are going to click right here so that you can generate an introduction of the article that you want. You can generate up to 5 introductions. You can increase it right here. In this case, I just want 2, so you can reduce it. Once that is done, you are going to click on generate intro. Once you click on generate intro, you can see it has generated 2 introductions that you can use. So you are going to select any of them that you want. You can see 2 introductions. In this case, I'm going to select the first one. Once you select the first one, the next step is that you are going to generate an outline. You can generate up to 5 outlines, so you just increase it to 5. If you don't want that, you can generate up to 2 or whatever that you want. In this case, I want to generate 1 outline, so just click on generate outline. Once you select the number right here, as you can see, this is the outline of the article. You can see everything. This is the outline. So now the next step is that you are going to select the outline. So just click right here, select it. Once you select it, you can see generate article. Once you click on that, it is going to generate a full article for you that you can use to make money on legit.com. In this case, I'm not going to generate the article. I just want you to get the idea. If I use it, my credit will get finished. So I want you to just get the idea so that you can go and use it to make money. Apart from RightSonic.com, you can also use ChatGPT to write the articles for free. On ChatGPT, you can use it to write as many articles that you want. If you want, you can upgrade. If you don't want, you can just use the free version. The free version, you can use it to generate quality articles. So let me just paste the title right here so that you can see how ChatGPT will write the article for you. As you can see, this is the title. You can just type something like write an article using this title. As you can see, write an article using this title. Once you instruct it like this, ChatGPT will write a very useful article for you so that you can submit it on legit.com. Let me just instruct it for you to see. Just press enter right here. As you can see, it is writing the article. You can see everything. You can see it is generating the article, so we are going to wait for it to generate the article. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a very lengthy article. You can see everything. This is a very nice article that you can submit to your potential client and then get paid. It's very simple as that. So now what you have to do is that you have to just highlight the content. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it and then paste it on a Word document. Once you paste it on a Word document, you can send it to your potential client and you are going to be paid. So make sure you go and take action so that you can make money using this particular strategy. It does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. So make sure you take action. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.